What if I told you that you could make up to $5,000 a month in 2025 without a degree, without crazy startup costs, and without wasting years on something that doesn't work? Today, I will break down 5 of the best side hustles that real people are using right now to hit that $5,000 per month mark. These are beginner-friendly, scalable, and you can start them alongside your job.
Right.
So let's dive straight in. Let's kick it off with number 1, freelancing with AI skills. If you've been on the internet lately, you already know AI is everywhere. But here's the thing. Companies and small businesses do not know how to use it effectively. That's where freelancing comes in. Can offer services like writing blog posts using ChatGPT, creating designs with Canva or Midjourney, running ads, building landing pages, or even editing videos. And you don't need to be an expert programmer. You just need to learn how to use AI tools smarter than the average person. How much can you make? Many freelancers charge anywhere between $30 to $100 per hour. If you package your services like 10 blog posts for $500 or ad copy for $300, you can scale faster. The best part? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn make it easy to find clients. And if you land just 5 clients paying $1,000 each per month, you're already at $5,000. But here's the catch. Freelancing requires consistency. You'll need to send proposals, network, and keep your clients happy. Still, once you build momentum, this can turn into a full-time business. Number 2 is Amazon FBA and e-commerce. Selling products online is nothing new. But in 2025, e-commerce is exploding more than ever. Platforms like Amazon FBA let you sell physical products without handling packaging or shipping yourself. Here's how it works. You research products with high demand and low competition. You buy inventory from suppliers. Amazon stores, packs, and ships it for you. Sounds simple, right? But the real skill is in finding profitable products and running ads. Earnings potential? Some sellers start small and make a few hundred a month. Others grow fast and hit $5,000 to $10,000 per month within 6 to 12 months. And here's the kicker. Once your product is ranked and selling well, it's mostly passive income. You just need to restock and manage ads. If you don't want to risk money on inventory, you can start with drop shipping or even print in demand. That way you don't hold stock, your supplier ships directly to the customer. It's competitive, yes, but the upside is huge if you stick with it. Number 3 is content creation on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram now. This one might surprise you, because most people think you need millions of followers to make money online, but in reality you don't. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok are paying creators through ads, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. Even with a small audience, you can make serious money. Here's a simple example. A faceless YouTube channel in finance or motivation can earn $1,000 to $2,000 per month just from ad revenue with only a few viral videos. Add affiliate links like promoting apps, courses, or books, and you can double that. And TikTok? It's even faster. Short videos can blow up overnight, sending thousands of people to your products or affiliate links. The best part? You don't even need to show your face. You can make text-based videos, slideshows, or use AI voiceovers. Consistency is the key. Post daily, experiment, and watch your audience grow. Get to 100,000 followers or 50,000 YouTube subscribers. And hitting $5,000 per month becomes realistic. But here's the catch. Content creation is a long-term game. The first few months might be slow. But if you stay consistent, it's one of the most scalable side hustles in 2025. Number 4 is high-ticket digital services. This side hustle is about offering a specialized service and charging premium prices. Think of services like running Facebook or Amazon ads for businesses, social media management, building websites or funnels, email marketing. Small and mid-sized businesses desperately need these services, but they don't want to hire full-time staff. That's where you step in as a freelancer or consultant. The numbers? If you charge $1,000 to $2,000 per client per month, you only need 3 to 5 clients to reach $5,000. And here's the secret. You don't need to know everything from day one. There are tons of free tutorials on YouTube, plus affordable courses that teach you step by step. But here's the catch. You'll need to learn sales skills, how to pitch your services and close deals. Might feel uncomfortable at first, but once you get that first client, it becomes much easier. This is one of the fastest ways to hit $5,000 per month, if you are willing to put yourself out there. And finally, number 5, online coaching or digital products. The last side hustle is all about sharing your knowledge. Maybe you know how to lose weight, manage finances, improve productivity, even play an instrument. Whatever skill you have, there are people willing to pay to learn it. You can start with one-on-one coaching over Zoom. Charge $50 to $100 per session. And if you do 10 sessions a week, that's already $2,000 to $4,000 per month. But the real money comes from digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates. For example, an ebook selling for $20. 250 people buy it in a month. It's $5,000. Sounds simple, but here's the catch. You'll need to build an audience first. That could be on TikTok, YouTube, or even through a simple email list. The beauty of this side hustle is that once your product is created, it can sell forever with very little effort. That's how people turn small side projects into six-figure businesses. Each of these has the potential to make $5,000 a month in 2025. But the trick is choosing one, focusing on it, and sticking with it long enough to see results. You don't need a degree. You don't need years of experience. You just need consistency, patience, and the willingness to learn. So which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart money tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.